Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. It is a -7°C Saskatchewan morning. It is a nice morning. It's starting to get a little dusting of snow, but that's all right. But right now I am in the semi. I'm starting in Saskatoon and going out to Purdue to pick up a tractor to deliver to customers. I'm in the semi because our trucker's on holidays and the tractor is in the shop right now, and it's going to be easier starting it in the shop when it's heated than trying to start it when it's cold out. So figured I would do this today and get one job kind of knocked out. So I will be taking you along and it should be pretty fun. I enjoy driving the semi. I enjoy doing this kind of stuff because it's a constant learning experience. There's always a new situation, and it's really fun to me. So I will bring you guys along and we will dive into it. So we have the Massey Ferguson 4840 loaded up and we have it chained down. How we chain it down is get it so it's pulling apart. So this one's pulling this way, that's pulling that way. On the back it's pulling out, and on the other side it's pulling out. That way it's all pulling apart and that thing is chained down good and proper and won't slide around or come off. We've gotten a little more snow than I thought it was gonna be, but that's all right. We'll just take it a little slower if we have to and keep rolling on. But I got the directions to the farmer's place and he told me don't go into the yard, just stop on the road and we'll unhook it there. He said their yard's a little bit of a mess with all the snow, and because this is the main tractor I think they hook a blade to and clear snow, so they're really wanting it back. But I'm gonna stop on the road once I get there and then we'll unload it and that should be it. But we're gonna jump in the semi now and start driving. white out. It's hard to
see really anything here, like with the way the snow is, and it covers the road. And then on these overcast days, it's really hard to see anything out here.
Just my luck, going down a back road and we hit a train. And not just one train, 2 trains. The first train's moving, there's a train on the other side that's stopped, but there's an alternate route, and I checked on Google Maps and I can make it around there and get back on. So nothing too concerning, but I'm gonna wait and see if this second train starts moving at all, and if not, I'll have to try and go down the alternate route. So
Starting to snow a lot more. It's hard to see on video, but it's all sticking to the side windows and it's making it even harder to see out. Hopefully it slows down a little bit more now.
So now we have got the tractor unloaded, taken off, and we have the chains and boomers and everything put away. I've come to realize one thing: in the snow, chains suck. It's metal on metal, and snow, being cold, it's kind of like what I said in the last video. Metal on metal, when it's like this, it just is slippery. So we gotta clear out all these lights and license plate before we take off here, even though it's gonna get completely covered in snow once again. This way we're at least somewhat clean, and then we're gonna be off. Look how much snow there actually is. This truck is a mess, but I really realized that I wore the wrong boots. The wrong boots today. My feet are wet and cold, and my hands are wet and cold. A little bit of a learning experience. I will be coming better prepared next time. I'm gonna jump up in this thing and try and warm up a little bit on my way back. too.
Anything else?
Okay. Perfect. Okay, sounds good. Talk to you later, Chris. Bye.
Which one is the best one to take care of?
So it's actually a few days later now, but we successfully made it back to the shop there. We parked the semi. Actually, when we got into the yard and we did that little lap around, we ended up getting stuck. That was the spot that we got stuck. We didn't get stuck out in the country or anything at all, but in the yard, I just went a little too close to some of the equipment and got stuck. So we got pulled out and everything, but yeah, it was a really fun day. I enjoyed doing the trucking, and it was a cool thing to be delivering an old Massey Ferguson 4840. Heard lots about those old tractors from family members and other people around. So yeah, but that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like and a subscribe. That would really help me out, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.